As you know, the transits of every given person from morning to night, because they've got a phone in their pocket, and even if they've got, location services turned off, the cellular provider still knows exactly where they are, what towers they're connected to. They know the associations and co-travelers, the other phones that move from tower to tower at the same time. From place to place, and this just goes on and on and on. They know who you call late at night. They know who you call after you visit the hospital. They know, which of your parents you call at the low point of your life, and they know where you go next. Do you travel? Do you, visit another hospital? Do you research something, on the internet? What kind of query do you submit? What provider does it go to? What records do they have? They know the most intimately private things that can be known really about us. And what they do not know with certainty, because they have a record of it, they can infer with greater and greater confidence as time goes on. And I think this is just what's out there for the taking. As you said, the product is us, which I think is not quite right. It's close to it. It's what people say. But the product really is our attention. The thing that is on offering, right, is a space in front of our eyes. They're trying to intermediate our ability to perceive and to think and ultimately to decide. What's being sold is influence, writ large, I think. But then there's this whole other space, of course, which is the offensive space, how things are being hacked. How governments are intentionally keeping the internet less private and less free than it could be, and not just them, but other institutions as well, in order to maintain their own advantages in being able to spy on us effectively. Why are they spying on us? It's not really to stop terrorist attacks. In the large part, they do this, at least attempt to do this. We know, for example, in the case of 2013, the cases that they said, these were useful for saving lives, when the government itself actually went in to investigate. They went, no, these programs didn't have any effectiveness in stopping terrorist attacks. They weren't uniquely useful. They didn't save lives. But they did provide us sort of warm fuzzies. They gave us more awareness. They added to our information dominance, as it were.